Hello, good morning everyone. Today I am going to start third category of tenses, that is future tense. So let's start the topic. Here's the simple future tense. So in the rule of the simple future tense is subject plus will or shall plus V1, first form of verb. Okay, for example, he will come here tomorrow. Second example, he will go to England in the next week. Okay, so this is the example of the future tense. Now come to the future continuous tense. Future continuous tense shows ongoing action in the future. Okay, the rule of the future continuous tense is subject plus will be plus verb, first form of verb with ing. For example, Eric will be running a marathon this Saturday. Second example, they will be making preparation for their exam. So all of you see here the rule of the future continuous tense. Here is the subject. So Eric is the subject and will be. So here is also will be. Here is the first form of verb. First form of verb run with ing. Okay. So this example is the future continuous. Okay. Now come to the next future, that is future perfect. Future perfect shows completed actions in the future. The rule of the future perfect is subject plus will have plus verb, third form of verb. Okay, for example, mom will have cooked our favorite meal. Okay, so here's the rule of the future perfect is subject. Here is a mom is a subject. Next is will have, and here's the third form of verb, so cooked. So I add here ed. Okay, now next is future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous shows ongoing actions in the future plus duration. The rule of the future perfect continuous is subject plus will have been plus verb with ing. For example, at 5 o'clock I will have been waiting for 30 minutes. Second example, in November I will have been working at my company for 3 years. Okay, so all of you see here that this one is the ongoing action plus duration also. So here 30 minutes, 3 years, this is the duration. 30 minutes and 3 years, this is the duration of future perfect continuous. Okay, so students, with this we come to the end of tenses lesson, and I hope you all have understood it. Okay, thank you.